So you want to make a Poshmark closet sign and you have no idea how to make one, or maybe you've made one, no idea how to put it into Poshmark. I get this question a lot, and for me, it's pretty easy to do, but I recognize that for some people, it's not that easy to do. So today I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and it's going to be very easy step by step. Let's dive in. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So here is my Poshmark closet, and I don't have my bookmark sign at the top, but I'm going to show you how to make the sign that I put in my listings. You can make any sign that you want this way, and you can put it anywhere you want. I'm going to show you the whole process. So let me just show you what I mean so that you know. So in my listings, today I'm going to show you how to make this sign. So this is my info about what sets me apart as a seller. I think it's important to build buyer confidence. I've talked about it many times on my channel. And so this is what I'm going to show you how to make. So I just have some text in here. It's a square image with my logo. And I don't even know where my logo is right now, so I may not put that part in there. But I'm going to show you how to make this and how to get it into a listing. So first you go to Canva. You can get a free account, canva.com. It's very simple and easy. And this is what we're making. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get to that point. So you go up here to the top right and hit create a design. And I usually make things that are square. So it has Instagram post here, right here for me. I don't know if it's suggested just based on me or if everyone has this suggestion. So if you're not sure, you can just type square or Instagram post and it will get you the format that you need. So now we have a brand new design here. And so I'm just gonna put like a circle for right now. So I went to elements, and these are just some recent elements. I'm just gonna put a circle for my logo. If you had a logo, you would have it easily saved on your computer. And so you can just put it where you want to, and you just drag and drop and move things around. You can change the color. There's lots of Canva tutorials out there. I don't want to make a Canva tutorial. I want to make a how to do your Poshmark closet sign tutorial. So if you need more information than that, you're going to need to watch a Canva tutorial. Then I'm going to go ahead and click text, and I'm going to add heading. And now I can start putting my text here. So I'm just going to put this up. And again, I'm just going to create what I already have. I don't remember what it is off the top of my head. Let me pull it up on my phone so that way I can look at it while I'm doing it without switching all the screens. So, okay, so on mine I have professional seller. I have packaged, that's not spelled right, packaged with care. Ships same next day. Offers welcome. Bundle and save. Now this is all way too big. So I'm going to select all, which is Control A, and I'm going to decrease the size. Bing, 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 and just make it smaller so it will fit in here. And do like this because I can also make like the lines smaller. I could also make these each individual text lines. We're just going to do this for now because again, this is an actual Canva tutorial. This is just me showing you generally how to make the sign. So let's say this is what you wanted to put. Now you could change the font, you could put a background color, you can make it as fancy as you want. There are all kinds of, under design, there's all kinds of templates and things that you can use to make all sorts of signs. Again, this is not that show. So this is pretending what I want. So this is a square image with the text and my logo for pretend. And now I'm going to click share. I'm going to click download, PNG, that's fine. Click download. So now this is going to save it to my computer. And so now it's just a photo like any other photo. It's a PNG file, just like your photos of your dresses and your pants that you list in your Poshmark closet. It's just the same. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs. Everything that I have created and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. So I'm going to go, and if I wanted to add this to a listing, and let's say I did, I'm going to sell on Poshmark, I'm going to get a new listing, I'm going to add photos, and this was one that I just did recently. So let's say I'm going to sell this cream. So I upload all my product photos and it's all in there. Pretend this isn't there. Let's delete this. So I have everything. I'm going to get it all nice and, official. So this is my cover photo. Pretend everything's in order. So now I want to add my sign. So I go to my computer and I find my sign. So here's the sign we just created, and I'm going to go ahead and add my sign. And then I'm going to list the item, blah, 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 just like normal. And I'm going to hit next and list it. I'm not going to do that now because I don't actually want to list this. But that's how you do it. You just create a JPEG or a PNG in Canva, save it to your computer, and then upload it like any other photo that you would for a listing. That's how you put it inside a listing if you were going to put it like at the end of your listing. Now pretend that that photo now is a closet sign. I have a bookmark closet sign. I have lots of other closet signs in here. Let's see. Okay, here. So I found this one. This is a closet sign that I made in Canva to promote my Eileen Fisher sale. So this is just one photo. I started a new listing, uploaded one photo, talked about the sale in the title, talked about the sale in the description, and listed it. So if I wanted to take the item that we did today and pretend that that's a sale sign or a bookmark sign or whatever, I would just go to a new listing, add the photo just like any other photo, and then I would fill out the listing that says, welcome to my closet, if this was a bookmark sign, or I would write bookmark my closet. And then I would write, thank you for visiting my closet, bookmark my closet by liking this listing. Whatever you want to put. And then you can just list it as whatever. Usually I do like bags because anybody would buy like a handbag. It will show up for everyone. It's not size specific. And it's one size and it's just easy to put. And then I usually put my closet name here on my rack. I don't need to put color, and then I would put 0. Now, if you put 0 as your listing price, it's going to be not for sale. And then if you have a bot, it won't share it for you because it's not a for sale item. So you have to list it for like $3, which is the lowest that you can list an item for. And then it will be for sale, and then you can click next, and then you can click list, and then this will get listed in your closet, which I don't really want there because I made a crappy post, but now it's there. And now if you want it to stay there, this has to be the last thing that you share all the time. Because if I go sharing items, and again, I would never normally share manually like this. My Posher VA is going to share for me. But as you share items, it's going to get moved down. So if you don't share it last, let's say I shared my whole closet, then I share it last, and then click refresh, now it's back to the top. So people ask me all the time, how do you get the sign to stay at the top of your closet? There's no way to do it other than to make sure it gets shared last. So if you realize that your Posher VA went through and shared and it didn't get shared last, just maybe you like this and then it will show up in your likes and that's how you can find it again. Or you just know what to search for in the search bar and you can search for bookmark. Oh, there's my original one. I should have just done that. I didn't know what I had called it. So this is my original one. And actually, I should update it because, you know, I'm like 12,000 items sold or something right now. So I could update this here and fix it up and make it better. But yeah, so this is how you can find it again. And then you can just always make sure that it's shared last. So I'm going to go ahead and share my official one. And then I'm going to delete this listing in a second. But that's how you do it. So that's how you go to Canva, you make your graphic, you can put your graphic in your listings like I do, you can make signs and put them in your listings like I do, you can make a bookmark sign, you can make a sales sign, you can make whatever sign you want and you can put it in however you would like to, whether it's inside a listing or as its own listing. But this is a way to communicate on Poshmark if you need to, and it's very easy to do. And I hope you have good luck with it. Thanks, I'll see you next time. Bye. Posher VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Posher VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.